Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Today I wanted to share just a little bit of my, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my crystals. You guys know that I have my AB squares and my AB round in boxes, organized, and it's got cards. And I find it just easier to find my drills. So I ordered another box, but I ordered the wrong size. This is actually a smaller one than the other one. But it'll be fine. It's just gonna be, it still has 3 sections, and I'm going to do a couple of my crystals because I've got my crystals in here, but it's a lot. It's a lot of these plastics, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers of these. And if I need to travel, I'm not gonna bring all these drawers, so I figure if I have the boxes, it's much easier. So what I did was, when I got these drills, I threw away the plastics. Yeah, duh. Anyway, so what I did was I went on Amazon and I ordered these bags. It's called laser smell proof bags, and it's 3 inches by 4 inches, and there's 100 per package. I bought 2 of these bags, so I guess 50 in each of these, 100. So let's see. I'm just gonna do maybe 2 or 3, and then the rest, because I don't want to do a long video. So it comes with the cards, and this is from Flawsomecrafter, and I'll put that information in the description box. So come nicely. They're already in order, which is nice. Okay, so I guess let's put them here like that. There's the dividers. Can you see that? Okay, I'm just gonna push it back now. Let's open the bag. I wasn't sure if this was the right size. Now, the only thing is that I'm so silly. I bought the bags, and these are just so too cute. But I forgot to buy, some of them came like with a little spot, a little space here where you basically write down. And did I buy any labels? Do I have any labels? I believe I do. So excuse me for a second, very quickly. Let me go see if I can find the labels. Okay, so I have these labels here, so we're going to try these. And these are, they should be smaller, but for now, I guess this will do. So I'm just going to cut this in half. And obviously it's just too long. I don't need it that long. So what we can do is we can cut them in half. I think that's half. And then we have 4. And that's perfect. Okay, so let's see. The first crystal is 150. And I'm just gonna pour them in here. I think that'll be easier. What do you think? Oh, this is too big. Maybe this is too big. Maybe something smaller. Yeah, okay, let's try this. Smaller. Yeah, that's better. So I'm just gonna pour them here. Of course, I shouldn't have done that too many at the same time. Oh, wait, before we do that, let's put the label. This is going to be crystal 150. So should we write, okay, I'm just going to write 150 because, and then the next one is, the one that I have is 153. And I'm using a permanent marker. 154, can you see that? And 155. So we're just going to do 5. So I'm not going to bore you, and I will continue working on this tomorrow. If you hear any crazy noise in the background, that is actually my crazy husband. Oh, what am I doing? See, this is what happens when you talk and I can't focus, guys. That's my crazy husband downstairs. Does it matter which side? I guess not. Well, that one. Let's see something, make sure. Okay, this is the see-through side, and that's not. So make sure you put it on the see-through side, guys. I want it high. Okay. Yeah, he's actually playing Call of Duty downstairs. That's his favorite game of all time. I just actually, my daughter and I, we actually just ordered the new one for him. It's coming out actually this month. So we pre-ordered it, and it should be coming soon. Part of his birthday. Okay, so you see, So there you go, 150. Now, the question is this too wide? Because I was thinking I was going to order the other one. Actually, there's an ecru off-white, but I don't have that one. So let's move those over there. And then you have the divider that says 100. This might be a little wide, but it's fine. And this is considered a red bright. So that goes in the front and that goes in the back. That's fine. It's just that this divider is going to have to go there. And we've got plenty of space. Perfect. All right. So then the next one, I do not have 151. I don't have that one, but I do have 153. Okay. 153. So put the label. It's going to take me forever to finish this. No, just kidding. Just kidding, guys. You just take used to a little bit every night. That's all. I'm not going to do this whole thing tonight, obviously. This is a very pretty, this one is called 153 is Lilac. It's perfect. See? I can see the color. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I don't know. I don't need to do that because it says it on the card. But if I want, I could actually add another sticker, even up here, and actually write down the name also. Why not? It's not going to hurt, right? Okay. And then let's see. So let's close this one. Put this one back. The next one is 154. And 154 is very dark. It's red, very dark. Okay, so let's pour it in here. Have you guys used the crystals? I have. They're actually very nice. Okay, let's see, 154. I actually used ABs, sparklers, and crystals on the siren, on the mermaid from Diamond Art Club, and it's hanging in my daughter's room / guest room, and she looks gorgeous, guys. Okay, very, very sparkly. Okay. All right, there it goes. So let's put the divider and put that in there, and then we have to do one more, 155, which is called Forget Me Not Blue. That's pretty. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's hope it fits in the little baggie. I can't remember who it was. Someone was asking me that they wanted to do this to organize the drills, but they didn't have, I think they didn't have the baggies. So you can get these baggies, like I said, on Amazon, guys. Ooh, let's put the label first. It's just much easier. So I'll push that over there so you can see. Okay. And I think I'm going to add the color too, because when you grab this, you're not going to grab with you. You're not going to take with you the divider, the cards, I mean. So if I have the color also and the number, that helps on the little bag. Why not? Okay. Ooh, look at this, guys, and it fits. And I like the way they seal nice. They seal nice, and they lock very nicely. That's the word I was looking for. They lock. Okay. Let's do a couple more. What's the next one? I don't have 156. I don't have 157. I'll have to see if Timo has these crystals. Okay, this is 158. 158. The ones that I'm missing. Ooh, got two little that escaped. Let's put those over there for now, and I will search later where they belong. 158 is called Blue Dark. Just for a little bit at a time. Okay, we're gonna need more stickers. Permanent marker. 158. Okay, and then I think the next one I have is 163. Might as well write it down. And then I have 208 and 209. I like these guys. 158 goes all the way up there. And like we said, this one's called Blue Dark. Okay, there goes the Blue Dark. Let's go divider. Okay, and then we said the next one is 163, 163, and that is called green, the color green. See how pretty that is? Oh, I forgot the rest of this. You see, guys? This is why you gotta focus. All right, 158. I almost forgot about that one. Actually, I think I could, let's see, try from the container. Oh, perfecto. Okay. Let's put that back. All right, put these in here. All right, so we're gonna do 163. Need another bag. There you go. I think we can do it straight from the container. Let's open it first. Let's put this one away. And I still do need to organize my sparklers, because right now my sparklers are in a storage case that you use for kitting up. Okay, and I don't like that actually. All right, the next one is 208. It looks like it's like a purple. So we're gonna go in the 200s, and 208 is actually the first one. And it's actually called Lavender Very Dark. Let's get the sticker. Let's open this up. I guess we don't really need the trays. There you go. 208. I like the way it sparkles. Right, and then the next one is 209. Look at that, guys. We already did one row. A whole row of colors. Okay, 209. 209, I don't have too many of these, but this one is called Lavender Dark. There it goes. Very pretty, this lavender. Okay, and that's where we're gonna stop, because I'm gonna continue, and when I finish, I'll show it to you guys. Okay guys, I wanted to show you very quickly. I finished a whole drawer, and so tomorrow I will continue into the 500s. But what I did was, I actually, remember I said that I wanted to, maybe I was going to put in the name. I actually did, and I like it. See? So it's got the number and the color. I'll show you another one. So I am loving these bags, guys. As you can see, I've got 100 up all the way up to the 700s, and then I've got the 800s up to the 3000s. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you very quickly. Okay, bye-bye.